quick and lazy tutorial. Let's create the checkerboard in Blender. Add a cube, scale it down, go to edit mode, extrude face along the normal, add solidify modifier, apply it. Now it's time to add a material. Here is all the material that I'm going to add. To base color, just type this code right here. And to roughness, let's take this image color and put it to roughness. Also in normal, let's take this image texture and put it to normal. For the checker, here is the node that I will use. Take this mix and put it into base color. Now take this image texture and put it into roughness. And finally take this bump and put it to node. Here is the final node setup. Let's add a cube again. Scale it down, move it and place it right here and move it like that. Now add array modifier to duplicate it. Let's place it. Make the same duplication to other side. Now give it a simple white and brown material, and that's it. Alright guys, the final Blender project is in the description. Go download it and have fun. Thank you for watching.